Hello fellow revivalists, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever wanted your seasonal decor to transition seamlessly from one season to the next? Well, now you can with one simple holiday hack. Alright, and before we begin, so you don't miss any new videos, if you could please hit the subscribe button below, and because you're so nice, could you please hit the like button? Alright, let's get started. So this little seasonal hack is something I've been doing for years. It's so easy and it transitions your seasons flawlessly. So this simple holiday hack consists of printing out pictures from Etsy. This all started because I had a small apartment and I did not have room for new Christmas decor, holiday decor, anything. So the easiest thing for me was to swap out pictures and frames, and I started by creating my own, but now I've upgraded to Etsy. And I'll show you in this next picture the wall we're working on. 6 white matted frames that currently have Christmas in them. Christmas, winter. So we're gonna update it for Easter and spring. So basically there's about 8 easy steps when you break it all down, but first is gonna be finding the pictures you wanna use. Make sure whatever pictures you plan to replace, you get the sizes down so you know exactly what you're looking for once you order them. Number 2, you're gonna go to Etsy and you're gonna search for whatever holiday. So in this case, I searched for spring digital prints and then found what I wanted, and then Easter digital prints. And then after that, once you find what you want, I kind of mess around with them. I save them all to my favorites so I can kind of see what I have and then what looks best together. Place the order for Etsy and then send those digital prints over to the photo center. And I always use Walgreens, which is super easy. If you have the app on your phone, there's always coupon codes. You can get it for super cheap. So we have legit skipped to about number 5. So next thing you're gonna do is, after you order them from Walgreens, you then get your images. Here's the first one I have, just a basic Happy Easter. And you're gonna get your frames open and start setting it up. The last thing here to do is to swap all the pictures. So I'm gonna set the camera up so that you guys can watch me. We'll do that and then I will show you guys the end result.